Hey dear viewers, welcome back to Mr. Tech Fox. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to turn on Bluetooth on your PC. So before doing it, I'm requesting you to subscribe the channel and also requesting you to hit the like button. So first of all, you need to make sure that your computer supports Bluetooth service. If it supports, then this tutorial is going to be worked, or if it not, then the tutorial is not suitable for you actually. But let me show you how you can do it if this option is on your PC. Okay, first of all, you need to click on this start icon and you need to search on the search bar Bluetooth, and you need to select this option Bluetooth and other service settings. You need to click on open and then you will see the options. Actually, my Bluetooth service is already opened. I can change it to turned off, or I can change it to turned on. So that's all how you can turn on the Bluetooth service or turn off the Bluetooth service. I think this video is going to be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.